So I'll be showing you how to enable the wake on wrist raise on your Apple Watch. This is basically a feature that allows or makes your Apple Watch screen come on every time you raise your wrist. Maybe you want to check the time or you want to check something on the Apple Watch. As soon as you raise your wrist towards your face, the screen comes on. So to enable that feature, it's very simple. Just press the crown on the side once to go to the main menu, and then look for settings. Tap on that. On the settings page, scroll until you get to display and brightness. Tap on that, and then under display and brightness, scroll down to wake on wrist raise. So enable that, and once you enable that, anytime you're wearing your Apple Watch and you raise your wrist towards your face, the screen will wake up so you can see the time or any other information you want to see. And this should work whether you have always on display enabled or whether you have it disabled. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.